chickpea actually. Desi has unique characters. Kabuli is different. In some dishes, Desi is the best one. In some dishes, Kabuli is the best one. If you would like to go ahead for the chola bhatura, so you are using the Kabuli. And if you are going for the black chana, you are going with the small one. And even the nutrients which are present in the Kabuli and the chickpea is totally different. Chickpea require many cooking temperature actually, Desi, but Kabuli don't require too much actually. And the covering of the Kabuli is totally seed coat of the Kabuli is totally different from the Desi seed coat actually. And Desi seed coat is basically given as a food ingredient to the horses also. So you put it. Okay? That is the one.
So the objective of my study was the biochemical shifting in the seed development by metabolomic analysis. So we selected the four cultivars. So here we selected the four cultivars, 2 from Desi and 2 from Kabuli, and we demarcated the different stages of the seed development. And here we measured the seed weight and we found that the mid-maturation stage has the maximum seed weight. So here we go for the this, and we detect that that Hind Chana has 124 metabolites, PBG7 has 167 metabolites, while the Kabuli cultivars having the less metabolites as compared to Desi. So here is the total metabolite accumulation in the different seed developmental stages, and here we found that the late maturation stage and mid maturation stage has the maximum number of metabolites. And among the different metabolites, we found that the lipids are high among the different metabolites, and we go for the PLS-BA analysis, and we found that all the stages are very distinct from each other. These all analysis I do with the help of metaboanalyst, and we go for the VIP score plot analysis, and we found that the late and mid maturation stage is comprised of high positive VIP score values as compared to the just before dry stage. Further, we go for the comparative metabolite analysis in the different cultivars, and here we found that the high accumulation of metabolites in the Desi cultivars as compared to Kabuli. Here we also go for the multivariate analysis and VIP score plot analysis, and this VIP score plot also showing that the red box is having the higher accumulations, and we reported that the Desi, that Hind Chana and PBG7 is comprised of high positive VIP score values. Next we find out the amino acids accumulation among the different seed developmental stages, and we found that the maximum number of amino acids were accumulated in the cotyledon stage. And also the multivariate analysis using the VIP score plot also showing the more red boxes, like more high VIP score values in the cotyledon stage also. And the heat map also showing the different accumulations in the cotyledon stage. Further, we go for the amino acid accumulation in the different selected cultivars. Here we also found that the amino acids were more in the PBG7s, and the multivariant analysis and the VIP score plot analysis showing that the Desi cultivars have the higher accumulations of amino acids as compared to Kabuli. So secondary metabolite accumulations is also observed in the different selected cultivars, and we found that the higher number of the secondary metabolites were observed in the Desi as compared to Kabuli. And here the SPLS-DA score plot in context of the secondary metabolite also demonstrate that the Hind Chana and PBG7 constitute really distinct from each other, and VIP score plot showing the more that Hind Chana and PBG7 consist of the high positive scores. So carbohydrate and sugar accumulation during different seed developmental stages, and here we found that the high number of sugar and carbohydrates accumulation in the cotyledon stage. And the SPLS-D score plot in context of carbohydrate and sugar also demonstrates that cotyledon stage is very much distinct from the other stages. And the VIP score plot also showing that the cotyledon stage is comprises of high positive score as compared to other stages. And the heat map also showing the differential accumulation in the cotyledon stage. So sugar carbohydrate accumulations in the different cultivars we reported, and we found that the desi cultivars having the higher number of carbohydrates and sugars as compared to Kabuli cultivars. And thus the multivariate analysis we performed with the metaboanalyst also clear cut demarcating these different carbohydrate and sugar accumulations in desi more as compared to Kabuli. Here the VIP score plot also showing that the Himchana and PBG7 comprises of high positive score values. So lipid accumulations during different seed developmental stages, and we found that the lipid and fatty acids are more in the late maturation stage as compared to other different seed developmental stages. And the analysis we performed with the help of metaboanalyst also revealed that the multivariate the SPLDA score plot also demonstrate that the lipid and fatty acids were more in the late maturation stage, and this stage is clearly distinct from the other seed developmental stages. And the VIP score plot also showing that more red box in the late maturation or mid maturation stage, showing that these are comprises of high positive score values. So in conclusion, the lipid and fatty acid accumulation is high in the late maturation stage of the seed development as compared to other stages. So among different cultivars, we found that the SPLDA score plot in context of lipid and fatty acid demonstrated that the Kabuli chickpea is considerably distinct from the Desi and PBG7, and the L550 and JGK1 is reported to comprise of having the high positive score. So in conclusion, we find the high accumulation of lipid and fatty acid in the Kabuli cultivars as compared to Desi. So we analyzed the fatty acid evaluations using GCFID to conclude our data, and we also we found that the late maturation stage has high accumulations of fatty acid, and Kabuli chickpea has higher accumulation of fatty acid as compared to Desi. Here we also determine the polyunsaturated fatty acid, monounsaturated fatty acid, and saturated fatty acid, and here we find that the polyunsaturated fatty acid has a high accumulation during different seed developmental stages, and the monounsaturated fatty acid accumulation increases during different seed developmental stages, and the saturated fatty acid accumulation decreases during seed developmental stages. So this is the differential accumulation of fatty acid during different seed developmental stages, and here we found that the linoleic acid and palmitic acid increases during different seed developmental stages, and linoleic acid and oleic acid increases during different seed developmental stages. Next, the heat map showing that the linoleic acid accumulation is high during different seed developmental stages, and the stearic acid is reported to low among different seed developmental stages. Here is the models that is showing the dynamics of biochemical shifting during seed developmental stages, and here we find that the high amino acid and sugar carbohydrate accumulations in the cotyledon and early maturation stage, while the high accumulation of secondary metabolites during mid maturation stage, and the high accumulation of lipid and fatty acids during late developmental stages.
So this work is yet not completed. It is just a glimpse of the work where we are working actually. So we are identifying the, with respect to each different stages, some biomarkers which can give you that these specific metabolites are present in that particular state, and those carbohydrates, amino acids, and secondary metabolites, whatever she told you, we previously identified that upon those different stages, these type of the enzymes are activated, enzyme involved in the biosynthetic pathway are activated. That's why we display only those pathways from where we get previous result that these pathways are highly active during the different developmental stages. So this is the one part is working. This was the only just one objective. We have to analyze the data more, and this paper is yet not published. So in which we are using the 4 different varieties to Desi and the Kabuli. We are looking the difference between the Desi and Kabuli and among the different cultivars with respect to the different developmental stages. So we have the huge data and we are analyzing that, and maybe, so it is the unpublished data. So whoever is take the picture, please take care of that. This work is yet not we submit anyway here. So thank you Ritu for your nice presentation. So now we have Professor Jain Jo for his presentation. Yes, sir, ke pen drive is. Do you have pen drive?
Yes.
Give me my pen drive.
Yeah, yes, sir.
And Nilesh, please. So now, first activity we have to get the feedback from all of you, and this feedback we have to upload online. So whatever you will write down, as such we upload on the Gyan portal. Second activity is with respect to the exam. So now Ritu is free from her presentation. So within 30 minutes we will take only 5 to 10 minutes exam. It will be in between the presentation because we don't have too much time. And you just be relaxed and you just put where you want to put on those objectives, because whatever you learn, that's enough to qualify those exams. So Nilesh, आप लोगों के पास में ये रखा है basically, and participant name, host institute here, Department of Botany, Central University of Punjab. आप अपना कोर्स टाइटल है प्लांट मेटाबोलॉमिक्स एंड टेक्निक्स, मिल जाएगा. कोर्स डेट है 28 दिसंबर to 28 नवंबर to 3 दिसंबर. पार्टिसिपेशन नाम में प्लीज़ क्लियर लिखना क्योंकि ये अपलोड करेंगे हम. देन कैटेगरी, ये उन लोगों की इंस्ट्रक्शन है कि जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट है उसकी कैटेगरी उनको चाहिए. देन पार्टिसिपेंट ईमेल एड्रेस, तो आपका ईमेल एड्रेस है जो भी है प्लीज़ उसको बिल्कुल क्लियर राइटअप में लिखिएगा, क्योंकि हो सकता है इसी ईमेल आईडी के बेस पे वो आपसे कांटेक्ट करे आपका जो एक क्रेडिट है उसको एबीसी अकाउंट में डालने के लिए. देन पार्टिसिपेंट फ़ोन नंबर, सो प्लीज़ बी क्लियर विद द फ़ोन नंबर. फ्लोइंग, तो आप अपनी सिक्स सेंस यूज़ कीजिए, अपने जो भी आप पे है जिस तरीके से आपने इवेलुएट किया है हमारे कोर्स को. एंड प्लीज़ शेयर योर कमेंट्स इन द ज्ञान कोर्स. सो प्लीज़ शेयर, इसको आपने खाली नहीं छोड़ना है, आप कुछ भी लिखिए, आप यहाँ पे जरूर लिखिएगा. Please share your comments on the GYAN program. So GYAN course and the GYAN program is the different. GYAN course is only just 5 to 6 days. आप अपना भी ले लीजिए. GYAN program is a initiative of the Ministry of Education in which foreign faculty is coming here, interacting with you, explaining a new course and how much or how you feel that this course is good one or this type of the courses must be continued because it gives the benefit within the 5 minutes. Meantime, I would like to start the Professor Ju. Please start your presentation, second presentation. So thanks a lot.
Yeah, actually, just now, read, yeah, we need Dr. Rina Salab, very good. I will continue to say of the identification or metabolites, traditional medicine. Our so we know humans not only plants for food. Yeah, that's for sure. We don't have much